Locked out of your Snapchat because of that annoying Ss06 error code. Let's get you back in. First things first, try the obvious. Close the Snapchat app completely. Swipe it away from your recent apps to ensure it's fully closed. Now, head into your phone settings. Look for something like Apps, Applications, or Application Manager. It depends on your phone. Find Snapchat in the list of apps and tap on it. Then select Storage or Storage and Cache. Here's the key, tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the error. Don't worry, this won't delete your memories or anything. If clearing the cache didn't work, try clearing the data or storage. Be warned, this will log you out of Snapchat, and you'll need to re-enter your username and password. Only do this as a last resort. If you're still seeing the Ss06 error, uninstall the Snapchat app completely. After uninstalling, go to your App Store, Google Play Store for Android, or App Store for iPhone and reinstall Snapchat. If none of that works, the issue might be on Snapchat's end. Check Snapchat's support page or social media for any reported outages or known issues. There might be a server problem they're working to fix. Hopefully, one of these steps got you back into Snapchat. Enjoy snapping.